This hydrant is starting to drip all the time, so I bought a rebuild kit. Let's go ahead and fix it. After I shut off the water in the building, I removed the handle. It's just a flathead screw. I used a crescent wrench to loosen the packing nut. I temporarily screwed the handle back on, and then I turned it counterclockwise until the threads released at the back of the hydrant. At this point, I can pull it towards me and remove the entire assembly. Next, I removed the old rubber packing and washer. Then on the other end, I used pliers to remove the check valve. Finally, I removed the retaining screw that holds the rubber valve seat on. I had to use a screwdriver to pry out the old valve seat. To reassemble, I slid on the new check valve from the kit. I put the retaining screw through the new valve seat and reattach it with the flat side of the valve down. You can see how hard and misshaped the old valve seat is. This is most likely why it was leaking. Then I slide the whole assembly back in. Once it was in place, I reattached the handle and turned it clockwise until the hydrant was shut. Then I removed the handle one more time. Now I put on the new packing washer and slipped on the rubber packing. I thread on the new packing nut. You don't have to go overboard tightening this down. I just snug it up with a crescent wrench. Then I reattached the handle, turned the water to the building back on, and checked that everything was working. So let me know in the comments, would you hire a plumber or do this repair yourself?